We like the light bulb so much in the red one that we went ahead and got some for the green one too, because in case you guys didn't know, we have blacked out headlight covers on it too, so we need some better lighting. We have no brights in that car at all. They do not work. Well, they work, but it's just you can't notice them because the headlight covers are so dark. So let's go ahead and go install these real quick.
Just connect this here, twist it up, pop it out. There's the old bulb. Save those just in case. Don't touch that bulb. Line her up. Let's see. Should be. That one's done.
This year's a lot easier too because you don't have to take the whole headlight out. You can just do it from the engine compartment.
Move the horn out of the way, which isn't supposed to be there.
Yeah, just loose.
That has to be remounted.
We had to put this grill on right here. We had to move the horn out of the way because we had to cut some stuff and then we had to mount it somewhere else, but we haven't mounted it yet. Alright guys, I'm gonna go see what the headlights look like in the dark now. So as you guys saw, it's really hard to tell if it actually made a difference or not. But once it gets a little bit darker out, I'm gonna see if it helped out at all. Hopefully it did, so we could have some brights now and not just ride fog lights all the time, but you'll guys see in a little bit. Also, we're leaving to go to North Charleston, South Carolina tomorrow morning. Leaving early in the morning, gonna get a coffee, and we're heading out to another car show. It should be a lot of fun, so stay tuned for some cars. Alright guys, we're gonna go test out the lights now. Hopefully we see a difference. I would love to have some brights. The lights are on. How about brights? Wow, you can actually see the brights go on now. That's good. So I think it'd be pretty cool to ride around with just the regular headlights on, and then we can have our halos on too. Oh god. Can't see anything. How about brights? See a little bit with brights, but it's not good at all. So as you guys saw, the lighting was not the best. You can actually tell when the brights are on now, but we might invest in getting just some smoked headlights, because these are actually just covers on here. So we might get smoked headlights. That's what the red one has. The red one has smoked headlights. And those headlight bulbs actually help out a lot with the smoked, but just the covers, not so much. Alright guys, we're heading up to Charleston right now. It's 4:30 in the morning. We arrived at the car show here in Charleston. Cleaning off the windshield right now because we got bird crap on it. We almost filled it before that. Pop the trunk real quick.
But you got the keys.
No? Oh, I got the keys. Dang it. I have everything. What are you doing to me?
I'm stressing you out.
Rented in the car show. When you're behind, just sitting over there drinking your coffee, I'm doing everything. Just getting some quick detail to the car, make sure it looks good.
Yeah.
Got all these bugs down here too.
I know, I see that.
I got my spray bottle in there.
I think we're all right now. Just do this.
Alright guys, we're headed over to the Pet Boys to get some quick detailer so we can shine up the car a little bit more. Alright guys, we got the quick detailer. Gonna go ahead and apply it to the car now, and I'll show you what it looks like after we're done. Got it all shined up now. Got the weather text cleaned out, and it's ready for some judging now. Looks like every car show we go to is going to be an AMC Pacer now. This time with the blue one.
judged.
Alright guys, so we made it back from the car show. We won 3 things here. I got a Shelby Cobra shirt. I got 2nd place in our class. I also got the Young Mustang Enthusiast Award for being a young participant. And also a Jeg sticker. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more, share with your friends. Comment down below if you do like these videos. I have a ton of fun making them, and it was actually my first time entering a car show this time. And we won 2nd place, so it was really cool. So I'll see you guys in my next video.